I wanted to make sure that these plans were actually going to come through before I made this video. So I am super pumped to let you all know Davidson Audio is hitting the road again, and we're going to Colorado for the third time this year. Davidson Audio hitting the road again to go to Colorado again for the third time this year? Well, it's a two-part trip. So this is going to be just the introduction video to it. I'm going to get on the phone and do some videos and talks with the other people involved in this, but I just want to let you all know that we are hitting the road yet again. We're going back to Colorado because September 14th, that's a Saturday, Pikes Peak Indian is hosting their 5-year anniversary party. And as you saw in our video that we just posted yesterday, they're super pumped for this event. They've said that all the years before this have always been big events. From what they told me, you know, they got food out there, they got entertainment, they've got the honor guard that comes out there and does, they retire their flag and put up a new one. They say it's a huge bash. They did say that the demo truck, I do believe, shows up on Thursday and is there all week, to Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's going to be a future video. I'll try to get Tito or his dad or maybe both of them on a video call, and we'll kind of do that discussing it, and we'll post the link as soon as he gets that to me. So yeah, we're going there to that. So Davidson Audio should be there. I'm planning on hopefully being there the Wednesday before, which is I think the 11th. It should be the 11th. So I'm hoping to arrive on the Wednesday so we can be there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, spend all 3 days there. We're not sure if we're going to ride up or we're going to trailer up. We might trailer up so we can bring more inventory and tools. I'm going to talk to Tito, see if he wants to do any installs while we're there. I'm not sure yet. I'm just throwing things out there. I do know that Fred Fisher, Riding Fish himself, and Kevin, the Candy sisters, you know, you got Spicy Candy and Black Candy, they will be there meeting us there. So that will be super cool. So you have all 4 of us there, plus the awesome crew over there, Pikes Peak Indian, there for the year event. I'm telling you right now, if you're anywhere within driving distance or small traveling distance or anywhere and you want to come to this event, I'm super pumped. We are driving from Panama City, Florida, all the way up there. It's about 24 plus hours. It's not a short trip. So if we can make it, y'all definitely can. So come on out, support Pikes Peak Indian in their 5 years of being in business. Trust me, you do not want to miss this event. It's going to be a lot of fun. If I know anything about those folks, they know how to work hard and they also know how to play hard and throw an awesome party. So we're going to post more on that. As soon as Tito gets me the link, we'll post that video and we'll make sure that we get you all that information. But then that's only part 1 of this trip, because after that, that Sunday, we are traveling to Minnesota, more specific Minneapolis, to spend the week with Ryde Culture, Riding Fish, and Corey Shockman, one of our installers up there, because we're going to be training them that entire week, which should be the 16th to the 21st. We're going to be there Monday to Saturday doing installs. So we're taking appointments now. It's going to be all stock locations. We're not doing mid-bass and bags. So you did Chieftain, Roadmaster, Challenger, Pursuit, and you want anything from a 2-speaker to an 8-speaker build done, please let us know. We are going to be taking appointments. It's all going to go through Ryde Culture for that. But is there going to be Davidson Audio packages that we're going to go there, do installs there in their shop at Ryde Culture? So it's going to be a really good time. And from talking to Fred and Mike, they're talking about we're going to do a big bike night while we're there. So it's going to be an awesome time. So make sure you get a hold of us so we can get your audio package figured out for that trip while we're there, get you scheduled, get you installs. I know there's a lot of people in that area that want packages done. And we're going to have 3 killer guys there that are working together to provide you the best installs possible in the Minneapolis area. So make sure you check us out. We're going to try to get a hold of Lloyd Greer so we can do some stuff with him as well while we're there. I know it's a lot of information, but I just wanted to get it out to you guys that, again, we're going to be back on the road. So September 14th, we'll be at Pikes Peak Indian. So I'm hoping to be there from the 11th to the 14th. Then Sunday, we're going to be traveling to Minneapolis. We're going to stay there for the entire week from Monday to Saturday, doing installs, training those awesome people there to make sure that they are qualified Davidson Audio installers, which I said in the last video, any authorized installers, now these aren't dealers, these are authorized installers for Davidson Audio, will carry a 3-year warranty with us. And if you do it yourself and you ship us a package, it's only a 2-year warranty. So it gets you that extra year. That's some good savings. So we'll dive into more of that. I'm going to do a video with Tito, Lorenzo, and then we'll do one with Fred, Mike, and Corey later. So you'll see multiple videos coming out too. I just want to get that information out now because it is almost 2 months away, but we want to start scheduling. We want to start pushing it now to get it out to you guys so that way you can get on the schedule as you don't want to miss this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's informative. Again, if you need anything for any aftermarket options for your Harley, Indian, or motorcycle period, make sure you check us out here at Davidson Audio. We would love to help you out, whether it's you coming down to your beautiful Panama City, Florida to get an audio package installed or ship it to you, or one of our authorized installers that we're building that network for. Check us out. Hope y'all have a great day. God bless y'all, and I cannot wait to meet more of you guys on the road.